Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share a handy tip for cleaning mixing bowls. These are made of melamine, stackable, BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Usually meant for egg whisking, mixing cake batter, etc. I use them mostly for soaking sprouts, idli, dosa, washing veggies, green leafy veggies, etc. After few times of soaking, it will get dirty marks. So here is my super easy handy tip to clean without scrubbing. This tip works with more dense brown marks too. I'm gonna use Clorox cleaner plus bleach liquid. Spray the liquid on brown spots. Shake a bit to spread evenly. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. As you see, it will be cleaned without scrubbing. Now wash with water. Wash twice with dishwashing liquid to make sure it's chemical free. Or you can keep in dishwasher. It's ready to use without much effort. You can see it's super clean, shiny like new. See you again. Thanks for watching.